In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sennheiser headphones to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and use any model of Sennheiser headphones that you have on a laptop. This is going to work if you have a wired version or a wireless one. So, most wired versions of Sennheiser headphones will be connected with a 3.5mm jack. So, to do this, all that you have to do is plug the cable into the headphones if needed. So an example would be the Sennheiser HD599, where you plug one end of the 3.5mm audio cable into the headphones and then the other one into your laptop. As soon as you plug the cable from the headphones into the laptop, it is going to be ready to be used. You don't need to download any sort of software, and it is going to be set up as the default output device. So you will listen to all of the audio coming through your laptop on the Sennheiser headphones. Alternatively, if you have one with a USB connection, as you might expect, you just have to plug the USB cable into the laptop. Once again, it is going to automatically recognize the Sennheiser headphones and set them up for you. Now, if you have a wireless connection, for example, through the HD450BT, this will be done through Bluetooth. So make sure that your laptop supports Bluetooth, go over to the settings and enable it. Once Bluetooth is enabled, put your headphones in pairing mode. This is going to differ for every single model, but for the main lines of Bluetooth headphones from Sennheiser, you just have to press this physical button. So press and hold this specific button on your headphones, and as soon as this is done, the LED indicator will flash, indicating that they are in pairing mode. With this done, you can look under the list of available devices. You will be able to choose the Sennheiser headphones, and they will automatically pair themselves up with your laptop. And once more, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output there through the Sennheiser headphones. So regardless of the connection type, you will be able to use your Sennheiser headphones on your laptop. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser headphones to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.